Hi guys, this is Karanveer. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about listening module. First of all, I just want to say that listening is such a module that you can get highest band score easily. There are certain students who are just normal in other modules, but just because of listening, they just get a boost their overall band score. So this is such a module that anyone can achieve easily 7.5 or 8, provided he or she is doing appropriate practice and following the strategies. Otherwise, you won't be able to improve your IELTS listening band score. If you guys are really want to improve your IELTS listening band score, because of that you will be able to improve your overall band score. So watch this video till the end. I'm going to tell you the tricks that you should follow. You know what happened to number of students? They get the same band score in listening even if they have been doing uh, the practice for the listening on daily basis. This is why because they have set the level of understanding the listening. That is why they get stuck at the same band level. Let it be 5.5 or 6 or 6.5, as there are students who have been doing the listening for 1 month and they see that they are getting the same band score as that of previous day. Have you ever wondered why this happened to those students? They have just set their mind and their mind get used to the listening, so they won't get more than that unless they follow some tricks. So it's my challenge, if you are going to do the listening practice as you were doing in the previous days, you won't be able to improve your IELTS listening band score. However, if you really want to improve your IELTS listening band score, so watch this video. I will tell you the trick, and because of that, you will be able to improve your overall band score. So my aim of making this video is to break that jinx that you are getting the same band score in the listening on the daily basis. So let's suppose if you are getting 6 band in the listening on daily basis, this means on the exam day you will get 6 band only because your level of understanding and interpreting the new words is set. And so first you need to break that level, you need to improve that level of understanding the new words. So before proceeding further, you need to know how they organize the listening. They are not just making the videos in a random way. Instead, each and everything is pre-planned, each and every section is meant for some purpose only. So guys, in the first section of your listening, there are always two person who conversate with each other. One out of two uh, talks to any organization. It may be a bank, it may be a company, it may be a college, it may be a tour guide. So the main motive of the first section is they just want to check after you migrate to any country, are you able to communicate with the receptionist of any shop or company or a college? So this is the easiest one of all the sections. Talking about second and third section, there are always 2 to 3 people who are talking in a group, or even sometimes 4 people who are talking in a group. So the main motive of this section is they just want to check if you are able to listen to different kind of people in a group at the same time. So they just want to check your ability of listening to people in a group. However, in the fourth section, there is only one person who is conversating for a long time. They just want to check your ability to listen to a single person. Why? Because you are going to any country as a student. There you supposed to listen to any university lecturer who usually give long speech or long deliver long lectures. So they just want to check your ability if you are able to listen to a single person for a long time. So guys, this is the design of IELTS listening. So before doing any practice of the listening, you need to know how they make the videos, and according to the design, you should practice each section. So according to the design, you should practice your listening instead of playing the whole video at the same time. My first tip for listening is just break the listening in a sections. First of all, you need to check in which section you are weak, and according to it, you practice the listening. I suggest that you should play the fourth section of all the listenings. Don't play the whole listening. I repeat, don't play the whole listening. Why? Because if you are playing the whole listening at the same time, what you are doing, you are intermixing all the sections. Your mind won't be distinguish the different sections, and your mind would not be trained enough to listen to the one person, listen to the number of person at the same time. So first you should listen to the fourth section only. You should train yourself to listen to the fourth section. That means you should train your brain to listen to the single person only, and you should follow this 10 to 15 days, and after that you should follow the same strategy to the second and third section, where you would be able to train your brain to listen to 2 to 3 people at the same time, and after that you should go to the first section. So in this way you should start practicing your listening, and if you do this, definitely it would boost your score in each section, and overall your listening would be good. So I repeat, you should practice the listening according to the design. Don't play the full listening from starting to the end. Otherwise, you are wasting your time and money. It won't be helpful for you. Now come to the second strategy. Your brain have limited vocabulary, limited phrases, limited grammar rules. So your mind is having limited zone for the listening. Let's suppose if a student is having 50% of understanding in listening, then what it means that he or she won't be able to get 100% out of the listening if his understanding level is 50 only. So if he continues repeating the same mistake of playing the whole video from starting to till the end in for the listening practice, he won't be able to get more than 5.5 or 6 in the final exam. So what you should do? To be honest, tell me, if you are doing the listening in any institute, and after completing your study at institute and after going home, are you expanding your level of understanding the listening? Are you adding on new words to your vocabulary? No. Maximum guys are moving to the institute as same day as they were in the previous day. So this won't be able to help you. So if you are not improving your vocabulary or understanding level, you won't be able to get 70% if your level is 50%. So what you should do for improving your listening? You should expand your level of understanding the listening. How you could do that? Here is the second key. Now do any listening. Let it be at your home or at your institute. After checking the answers without wasting a single second, just play the listening completely again. What will happen by doing this? Your brain will get the new words which have been skipped by your brain earlier. This will boost the score of the second time, and this time you probably get 70 or 80% the total marks. So you need to follow this strategy on each and every listening every day. What you should do, once you complete your listening for the first time, after checking your answers, go and play the listening again and again. Pause the listening for 10 seconds where you find that your mind is still not able to listen to the particular word. Wherever you come across any particular phrases, just pause the video again and again and listen to the particular word, how they are just pronouncing, why you have been skipping it. Once you start doing this, your brain will be able to listen to the similar kind of words again and again, and your brain will be slowly and slowly get used to it, and this will help in the final exam. And when you come across any new word, your brain will automatically pick that word and you will easily write that word. So this is the second strategy, that once you complete your whole listening for, let it be at your home or let it be you are doing it in your institute. After checking your answers, just without wasting any single second, play the whole video for the second time or third time. What will happen by this? You will be able to boost your vocabulary. You will be able to listen to the new words. You will be able to get to know why you have been skipping the words earlier and how they are pronouncing. You will get to used to it, and because of that, your overall level of understanding the listening, understanding the new words will be improved. So if you continue this strategy for a month, you will definitely find the difference. Earlier, if you are getting Six band, definitely you will get seven band in the first attempt only. Some guys may find it very difficult or tedious to repeat the same listening again and again. But for the serious students, I'm saying that they have been doing it, and after watching this, they will definitely do, and it will improve their band score. So this is the second strategy. Repeat the listening sections again and again until you get 100 out of the same section. So do it for the all listenings. So here is the important thing that you need to remember. Most of the students are going to do a one biggest mistake, that if they play the listening in the morning, what they will do, they will think that okay, we have done with the one listening in the morning, now we would play it in the evening. That is again wrong. Why? Because if you do the listening in the morning and you do the same listening in the evening, there would be a gap of 5 to 6 or even more hours in between two listenings. So your mind won't be able to remind all the words that you have listened in the morning. So for your mind, it would be the fresh listening, even if you are repeating the listening. So it won't be helpful for your mind. I know it is a tedious task, but if you really want to improve your IELTS listening band score, then you must follow the strategy of repeating the sections. Don't play the whole listening. Just play the sections again and again until you get 100 out of 100. So for the serious students who really aim to get 7.5 or even 8 in the listening, they just follow these two strategies of playing the listening repeatedly at the same time, and don't play the full listening from starting to the end. Just play the listening section wise. Just go and check in which section you are weak and just play that section again and again. So this is the golden strategy to boost the IELTS listening band score. I know it may sound boring to some students, but if you continue this for some days, definitely your score will get a boost. At least you must do listening twice. If you are not capable of doing the listening thrice, apply this strategy to the map. I agree. In your first attempt, it goes above your mind. But in your second attempt, stop your listening again and again. Try to listen to each and every line, in fact, each and every word. Place your finger on the screen, pause your video again and again. Try to put each and every word to your mind. Try to repeat the maps 4 to 5 times, and in your fifth attempt, you will be able to feel that if you are actually moving in the map, and your all answers will be correct. Now, last but not the least, tip of the day is read the script of each and every listening after you complete the listening. Try to note down the new words from the script, and if you want to do the listening with the script, write me in the comment section. I will upload the listening with script for you. Read the script of the listening as you are doing the reading, and try to note down the new words from the script, because there are only 2 to 3 or 4 ways to express new words, especially for the map. So for those students who find it very difficult for solving the map, try to repeat the same map again and again, and read the script of the map again and again, and try to note down the words, try to memorize the words. For example, next to he can use beside, opposite, like this. So if you memorize all those words, you will be able to do the listening of the map easily. To conclude, I will repeat all the tips. First, you need to check the weaker section and read the sections for at least 10 to 15 days and move on the next sections. Don't play the full listening from starting till the end. Second tip is repeat the listening again and again at the same time, so that you will master the words thoroughly. Last is try to read the script and try to note down the new words after the listening, and do the listening section wise. So guys, these are the key points you need to keep in your mind while doing listening. So, and if you want me to make videos regarding reading or writing, write me in the comment section, or even if you find any cue card difficult, please write them in the comment section. I will make a video for that as well. So if you really find this video interesting, please like it and share it, and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Here are other two videos. You can watch them as well. And if you haven't yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos and share these all videos among your friends.